Hello! Today I am making banana bread. In a bowl, mash 3 ripe bananas. If you have bananas that are riper than mine, that's even better. They will also be easier to mash. Add half a cup of vegetable oil, a quarter cup of milk, 2 eggs, and 3/4 cup of sugar. Mix with a whisk or an electric hand mixer, either one will work just fine. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla and incorporate that in. Then add 1½ teaspoon of baking soda and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Gradually add 1 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, mixing between each time. Don't forget to scrape the sides so the flour doesn't get left out. I'm lining the pan with parchment paper so it'll be easier to take out at the end, but you can also butter or oil spray the pan. Pour the mixture into the pan. Bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit or 160 degrees Celsius for 1 hour and 15 minutes. You can eat it right away, but it's better to let it sit until it's cold so the flavors can fully develop. If you didn't use parchment paper, simply flip the pan upside down to get the bread out. This recipe will produce a moist, not too rich tasting banana bread, so you can enjoy it at any time of the day. And don't forget, the strength of the flavor will always depend on how ripe your bananas are.